Folks, I'm going to talk about something important. Pay close attention because the world is changing right now. There's a lot of money moving into overseas economy. It's happening very quickly. Emerging markets right now are leading. So today, I'm going to help you and give you some heads up, some tips about how Chinese retailers are making headways in 2021 and how you can potentially profit from it. So I believe global economy is going to pick up over the next several months. We are already seeing emerging markets outperform the US market. For example, VWO, EEM, I believe, these emerging markets, they've been rising. So has small cap stocks, which have a lot more exposure to overseas markets. And with Democrats taking over the White House, the odds of seeing more strength out of China is more than likely. Now, these stocks saw massive upside under the Trump administration. And I believe they will continue to see steady growth because Biden is going to put less pressure on global economy and be easier on China than Trump. Now, keep your eyes on the following stocks for strong upside gains. Pinduoduo. I know I've talked about it before. I'm talking about it again. If you can't pronounce Pinduoduo, you're not the only one. I'm probably doing a poor job. But ticker symbol, that's what we got to work with here. Ticker symbols. PDD. It provides e-commerce platform, allowing users to participate in group buying deals, primarily through Tencent's web chat app. It's a Chinese company. PDD is a relatively newcomer to the e-commerce sector, and it's up against some of Chinese most powerful companies. In just the last 5 years, this company has amassed $174 billion in market cap in the US, having listed only 2 years ago. Instead of catering to aspirational and affluent demographic groups, it focuses on deeply discounted goods, discounts closer to 90%. That has driven significant demand from more price inelastic consumers as well as bargain hunters of all stripes. PDD stock is up 281% in the past year and will be one of the stronger retail stocks moving forward. Price target is about $195 per share, in my opinion, over the next few quarters. It may go up a lot more, but over the next few quarters, I think it has substantial upside. The next stock, and folks, I've talked about this stock again, and again, the focus is on China. Retail and China, those two things together. JD.com, ticker symbol JD. JD operates an online direct sales company in China. The company, through its website, JD.com, and mobile applications, offers a selection of authentic products. Think of it as a cross between eBay and Amazon. It started around '98 by programmers that opened a brick and mortar store selling electro-optical devices. Today, it's the largest retail in China and was the first Chinese stock traded on the NASDAQ. Pretty cool, right? It also has the largest drone delivery fleet in the world. The company's 20% owned by Tencent, Tencent. One of Chinese bigger companies. Stock is up over 120% in 2020. Price target in the next few quarters is about $105 per share. And the company, again, as I said, 20% owned by Tencent, which is a big Chinese company. It's also unlikely US regulators will cause too much trouble for the listing moving forward since it's yet to have much penetration into the US market. So it's got several years of growth before getting hit on the radar. Relative strength on the stock is strong. It has been outperforming the majority of NASDAQ and S&P stocks for the last 3 quarters. There's a lot of institutional accumulation. Earnings per share growth is prevalent, and analysts are supporting these two stocks substantially. So I am seeing a lot more upside, and I think it's wise right now to think outside of the traditional US box. I hope that helps. Folks, there's one hidden market that explodes in the first year of a new president. And it doesn't matter if it's a Republican or a Democrat. All that matters is that you know about it before January 21st. That's why I'm hosting my 3rd annual Turning Point event on Tuesday, December 29th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time to give you the inside scoop on my #1 way to maximize your profits in 2021. The explosive market hidden inside your brokerage account that I'm about to reveal could give anyone the opportunity to earn 153% on their money like the last 2 times a Democrat stepped into the office. Now, all you've got to do is click on the link below to learn how you can see this repeat profit phenomena in action. Do it now.